Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss on a very important topic of which I was getting requests from long time and so many requests on my Telegram, Instagram and so on, that how to make short notes. Like I have already told you what is the importance of making short notes, and then I was receiving the questions that bhaiya how to make short notes. I am facing problem what to include and what not to include. So I am going to tell you the answer of this question in today's video. So please stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new to our channel then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started and we will rock JAM 2022 together. So coming on to the first point, that how to make short notes. See, many people think that when we are studying a chapter or when we are starting a chapter, then we have to simultaneously start making short notes. This is not actually the correct way of making short notes. This is not the correct way of making short notes. First, completely understand the topic, completely study the topic from anywhere you are studying, complete all the lectures, complete everything and solve previous year questions. Like if you are JAM 2022 aspirant, solve previous year questions from 2005 to 2021. You will be having an idea of what are the things which are asked in the examination, what are the things which are directly related to examination and not the understanding part. See, the things in the lecture, what are the things in the lecture? The teacher teaches something that like makes the conclusion, makes the derivation and then makes the conclusion that this is what you have to remember or this is what is of relevance to your exam. Derivation is not going to come, so what is relevant to your exam? That you will be getting idea once you completely study the chapter and solve the previous year questions. Then start making short notes. Then start making short notes and note down all those things which are only related to exam, and not point of understanding. Directly write down the concepts which are asked in exam and how they are asked in exam. For example, if I am studying solid state, I will not be writing all those arrangements, how the formulas and how the conclusions are made. I'll just write down SCC, coordination number, position, Z value, packing efficiency and so on. This is the way I will be writing down because I don't need to understand how it comes. Short notes means directly to the point of exam, directly related to exam point of view. For example, I'm writing reagents. I'm like making short notes of reagents. So I will be just writing the name of the reagent and its use. Reagent, its use, no mechanism. If there are any exceptional questions. Now, first of all, you have to mention the things which are related to exam only. Then you have to mention if there are any exceptions. If there are any exceptions, for example, with 5-membered ring of NaBH4, that is an exception, alpha beta unsaturated. So I will be writing that down because that is an exception that can skip from my mind. So important from exam point of view, exceptional things which can skip from your mind and things which require a lot of cramming or mugging up. So that you have to mention in your short notes. So this is the way how you have to make your short notes concise and very important. I will be again repeating the points. Directly exam oriented, exceptional things which you can easily forget and things which require a lot of cramming up, that is mugging up or learning up, that is factual things. So this is the way how you have to write short notes or make short notes after completing previous year questions. Don't write any question, just write the direct exam related thing and the exceptional questions. That's it. Make short notes, and I have said that after completing once, then make short notes. That is the way you will be revising the things again. I hope you are getting my point. If you are an IIT JAM 2022 chemistry aspirant, then please subscribe our channel and then please follow our crash course which I am actually running. And I have also provided short notes. I have provided my short notes for your reference, that how you should make short notes. Don't copy them, take a reference and make your own notes. Okay. Okay, so I hope the agenda of the video is clear to you. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Take care. Bye bye. All the very best. Thank you so much.